In this video, I'm gonna draw random people's OC based on the description they gave me. That's why I joined some art Discord servers, asked people for their OC's description, and now we just picked. Oh, so seems like we got our first OC. So the description for this says, tall long curly blonde hair, grey eye, pale skinned, lawyer, either formal business outfit or homeless second-hand rags, introvert, poker face. Okay, so that sounds easy, I can do it. For some reason this was not hard for me to guess, so I just did some sketches and I liked this pose, so I just fill in the colors and then shaded it a little bit. And I really liked the end result of this OC, so I sent it and these were the reactions, and this is the real OC which I tried to draw. Actually I can't compare cause there is realistic and mine is more anime-ish, so I think it was so fun. Oh, another one. Banana skeleton, the hole on the skull similar to that brown spotting. Also, maybe it's a human with banana skeleton. So now, based on what I think, I made a sketch and sent it to them. Okay, let's not talk about the tail, okay? I still was not sure about the tail thing, so I just removed it completely and completed the banana skeleton, whatever it was. Then I thought it would be funny if I make a comic based on how the banana was born. So I did. Let me read it for you.
Wow, such a beautiful day. Let's get some banana.
Boom!
Am I still alive? Damn!
Oh my gosh, what was that? Well, now it's time to send Banana his OC. So these were the reaction and this is his OC and I think this is so cool. So now let's move on to our third and last OC for this video. So the description for this says, a poor medieval child that's want to revolt against the king, not knowing that his best friend is the king. 16-year-old, pretty tall, long black hair with middle part, in army, so wears armor. Actually, I ended up drawing the cloth armor rather than the metal ones cause I don't know how to draw the metal ones. Skill issues, I know. Or maybe he looks like a girl, I guess, yeah. I just can't draw boys, okay? Then I sent it and actually, can we just admire that their OC is so pretty and looks medieval, but mine looks like, I don't know, but yeah, I think they were so different. So these were all the OCs I did. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.